So yeah, I built a PC, and these are the parts I used. Specifics are in the description below. And here is the case. Look, cookies already waiting. Okay, this is the only footage I got. I didn't actually get to film myself building it because I was being extra careful since it's my first time building a PC. Fortunately, it worked also the first time I opened it. And yeah, I opted for a white build as much as possible, but still on a budget. I already have a monitor and keyboard beforehand. Get a few desktop appreciation for my white/colorful build. Okay, let me give you a desk tour. This is the area in our room or studio that I'm proud to share since it has the neatest natural lighting. So what I want to do here is to simplify the photos on my wall and maybe opt for a cleaner look or just have something different a bit. Yes, I love Bangtan. Here's a note from my friend that reminds me that helping others is something I find fulfillment in. My shelf contains, of course, mostly BTS albums, this cute tissue holder, Maja Ellie's EP, and more BTS merch. Let's put this one on top of the CPU. My desk is incomplete without Rock, my plant. And this is the setup when I'm using my iPad. And I have this small fan here because it's always warm here in the Philippines. So if I use my keyboard, I just pull it out of the monitor stand. I'm using the same RK71 with custom keycaps. Here I have Paulo Coelho's book I'm currently reading and a planner. Buttermerch is propped here because they always make my day brighter. And my wallpaper is Genshin Impact's Liyue. Here's my Muji pencil case, oops, and Tata gel pen. I like to have my albums here, especially Persona and Tear, the first albums I bought. I became ARMY during Persona. This butter case is where I place all of the official photo cards I have. Okay, hi Tay. And my handy notebook to quickly write down stuff from work. Okay, more markers, a coaster, and lamp to complete my desk essentials. I also got a cloud LED light here in this space, and sometimes I move Aang, my plant, on my desk when I miss him. And yeah, that's it for this desk tour. Hope you enjoyed this one.